Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable new features in Windows 11 23516 version. So this is a simple change, but I think this animation helped me so much. Just right click and click on taskbar settings, and this is the task view. So here, if you turn this on, the task view icon will show up in your taskbar. So let's close, and here we go. For example, let's start the Spotify on my main desktop, and if you click this, now you can choose or you can create new desktop. Here, for example, click new desktop, and this is the desktop too, and see, there is nothing in here because of this is new. There are no program, there are no Spotify that we opened before, so you can concentrate with this desktop, the second desktop. So you can open something, a lot of program, for example. And if you want to go back to your main desktop or the first desktop, just click again, and now we go back to this desktop first. So it's very useful for you that have a multitasking program or multitasking work from your office. So here, feel free to try to enjoy this feature, the task view. Here we go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. See you in the next video.